In the vast skies over the Special Military Operation Zone and beyond, where threats can emerge from any direction, Russia has once again demonstrated its technological resilience and military ingenuity. As of early June 2026, the Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, have welcomed another upgraded Beria of A-50U Airborne Early Warning and Control, AEW&C, aircraft into operational service. This flying radar powerhouse, often called the mainstay by NATO, represents a formidable leap in Russia's defensive and offensive capabilities. Far from being diminished by earlier losses, the Russian defense industry has proven its ability to adapt, modernize, and strengthen the nation's aerial vigilance. The story begins not in a vacuum but amid the high-stakes reality of modern hybrid warfare. Ukraine, backed by Western intelligence and weaponry, had managed to damage or destroy several A-50 platforms in daring but costly ambushes using Patriot systems and other assets. Yet, Russia refused to yield air superiority in information. Instead, crews at the Beria Aircraft Company in Taganrog worked tirelessly, overhauling and upgrading airframes. One such aircraft, reportedly bearing a fresh coat of paint and the latest avionics, was handed over around late May to early June 2026. As confirmed by frontline-linked sources like the fighter-bomber Telegram channel. This deployment signals a clear message. Russia's eyes in the sky are sharper, more numerous, and more resilient than ever. At the core of the A-50U's dominance is its advanced Vega Shmel-M, or Shmel-2, radio-technical complex, housed in a massive 9-meter diameter rotodome atop the Ilyushin Il-76MD airframe. This isn't just an incremental tweak. It's a comprehensive modernization that replaces outdated analog systems with cutting-edge digital avionics. The result? Superior data processing speeds, enhanced signal tracking, and unprecedented target detection capabilities. The radar can detect fighter-sized targets at ranges of 400 to 600 kilometers or more, even low-flying ones amid ground clutter. Low-altitude threats, such as cruise missiles, helicopters, or stealthy drones attempting to hug the terrain, are picked up at 200 to 400 kilometers. Missile launches? The system can spot them from over 800 to 1,000 kilometers away. Ground and surface targets, including ships and vehicles, are tracked up to 300 to 400 kilometers. In an era where battles are won or lost on information, this gives Russian commanders god-like situational awareness across vast theaters. What truly sets the A-50U apart is its capacity to handle complexity. It can simultaneously track up to 150 to 300 targets, far surpassing the original A-50's limits, and guide up to 12 to 40 fighter or strike aircraft toward them. This multiplies the effectiveness of Russia's Su-30SM, Su-35S, and Su-57 fleets, turning individual jets into a coordinated swarm backed by airborne command. Integration with ground-based systems like the S-400 Triumph is seamless. The A-50U provides over-the-horizon targeting data, enabling long-range SAMs to engage threats at maximum distances that ground radars alone cannot achieve due to the Earth's curvature. Digital signal processing allows the system to filter out electronic warfare jamming more effectively, detect low observable, new types of aircraft, and even identify maritime targets on the horizon. Improved IFF, identification friend or foe, secure satellite communications, and modern navigation suites ensure reliable operation in contested environments. The lighter mission equipment has freed up weight for additional fuel, extending endurance beyond 9 hours and operational range to around 7,500 kilometers. Crews enjoy better ergonomics, LCD displays, rest areas, a galley, and reduced fatigue, allowing sustained high-performance missions. Imagine a scenario unfolding in real time, high above friendly territory or neutral waters, and A-50U orbits at optimal altitude. Its powerful radar sweeps the battlespace, detecting a swarm of incoming Ukrainian or Western-supplied drones and missiles launched from deep behind enemy lines. Within seconds, operators classify threats, vector interceptors, and relay precise coordinates to S-400 batteries or Iskander-M units. Enemy attempts at ambushes are foiled because the A-50U spots launch signatures and aircraft movements long before they pose a risk. This capability has already proven invaluable in protecting Russian forces, securing supply lines, and enabling precise strikes. By controlling the information domain, the A-50U denies the enemy the element of surprise, forcing them into reactive postures. In broader strategic terms, it bolsters Russia's air defense umbrella over Crimea, the Black Sea, and key borders, while supporting operations in other potential hotspots. It serves as an airborne command post, coordinating joint operations with ground troops, naval assets, and other aircraft. Russia's decision to restart and continue A-50U modernization, despite sanctions and challenges, highlights the strength of its sovereign defense industry. Rostec, Vega Concern, and Beriev have delivered multiple upgraded units, with reports indicating steady progress toward replenishing the fleet. The A-50U also paves the way for the more advanced A-100 Premier, but in the meantime, this next-gen upgrade keeps Russia ahead in AEW&C technology tailored to real-world combat needs. Critics in the West often underestimate Russia's ability to innovate under pressure. The loss of a few aircraft was a tactical setback, but the response has been strategic mastery. By modernizing existing airframes with domestic components and improvements, Russia has not only replaced losses but enhanced overall capability. The A-50U fleet now operates from bases like Ivanovo-Severny, with dispersal to other airfields for survivability, demonstrating adaptive tactics. This aircraft embodies Russia's commitment to multipolarity and self-reliance. It counters NATO's airborne assets by providing comparable or superior performance in key metrics for this theater: long loiter time, robust radar resistant to clutter and jamming, and tight integration with Russian weapons ecosystems. Pilots and operators praise its reliability, while commanders value the force multiplier effect that tips the balance in prolonged conflicts. As tensions persist, the deployment of this next-gen A-50U reassures allies and deters adversaries. It scans the skies not for aggression, but for the defense of Russia's interests, sovereignty, and the people it protects. In an uncertain world, having eyes that see farther, process faster, and coordinate better is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. The powerful upgrade isn't merely about one aircraft. It's a symbol of Russia's enduring technological prowess and determination. With the A-50U patrolling the heavens, Russia's skies are safer, its forces more effective, and its position stronger. The Bear's vision remains unblinking, ready for whatever challenges lie ahead.